Are you looking for the highest security and best fire rated safes in the world and not really sure where to start? If you're protecting hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars in value in both a residential application, or maybe you have a business or a jewelry store that you need higher insurance coverage for, in this video, we're going to go over the world's highest security safes built by ISM. In the world of safes, there's vast differences in security, fire protection, overall quality. And once you get out of the residential gun safe, home safe realm, you enter into what we consider a commercial or high security safe realm. That's going to start with a TL rated safe. So we have TL-15s, TL-30s, and TL-30x6s. What you see behind me are a step above that. We get into what we call a TRTL rated safe, and then even a step above that, which is a TXTL rated safe. ISM, Israeli Safe Manufacturing, is the company that builds the highest security, highest quality safes available. We happen to be one of their largest dealers and stock quite a few of them. So one question we often get here is, what is the difference between a TRTL-30x6, a TRTL-60x6, and then what the heck is a TXTL? So just a quick overview. Underwriters Laboratory, who is the governing body when it comes to, testing and actually giving these safes ratings, they test these particular safes with not just tools, but also with torches. So a 30x6 is going to be tested for 30 minutes on all 6 sides. A TRTL-60x6 is tested for 1 hour on all 6 sides. A TRTL-60x6 is the highest security rating that is UL listed in the world. ISM is the only company that builds that particular rated product, which is called a super platinum. You can see right here. These are available in many different sizes. This is kind of a medium size. Our best selling size of a super platinum is something bigger like this, but they even come in little 2 or 3 cubic foot sizes. So depending on what your needs are, ISM builds something in pretty much any size in each respective rating. So again, TRTL Super Treasury. This is a 30x6 TRTL rated product. This happens to be a 64 2023, kind of a narrow size, really popular for jewelry stores. This in most locations can be insurable. We've seen, up to $3 to $5 million, depending on, again, a couple different circumstances. Once you jump up to a TRTL-60x6, you're going to take that to even the next level. So this is truly designed to protect irreplaceable value, whether that's precious metals, cash, artwork, or if you own a business, obviously you have to protect your merchandise. So once you get out of the TRTL realm, then you get into what we call a super diamond by ISM. It's a TXTL. So this safe has not only been tested against torch and tool, it's also been tested against an explosive attack. So you literally could try to blow this safe up, and it's been tested to prevent the door from opening or even a hole being put in the safe. Now, ISM doesn't have this UL listed because it just doesn't make sense for the insurance world. However, if you are looking for the highest security safe in the world, bar none, then the TXTL by ISM is a safe you should look at. We happen to have a 6529 in stock right here. This baby's getting ready to go out this next week. One thing you'll notice, it has a Group 1 dial lock and also a key. That is not available on the Super Platinum or the Super Treasury. You're gonna have to have a Group 1 lock, whether it's mechanical or electronic, to get that UL listing on both those. Because this is not UL listed, you don't have to worry about having that secondary key, which a lot of people prefer. You would have to have a combination and the key present to open the safe up. So depending on what you're protecting, a TRTL-30x6 might make sense for your needs. A TRTL-60x6 is going to offer you the highest UL listing. And then if you want the baddest dude of them all, the TXTL Super Diamond is a safe you should look at. If you have any questions about any of these safes or any other commercial safes that might make sense for your needs, don't hesitate to reach out. Shoot us a call, send us an email. Appreciate it.